Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can integrate Smartsheet with Google Sheets. First of all, we need to create an account at Smartsheet.com. Once we do that, we want to go and create maybe a test sheet for you and your colleagues, or if you're already familiar with Smartsheet, you'll probably have a lot of work in Sheets already created. So first of all, we want to check if we can make this integration directly in Smartsheet.com. We need to go to the bottom left corner and we want to go to Apps and Integrations. And now into Solutions Center. As you can see, there is a couple of add-ons, but there are no Google Sheets. But we can make this integration work by using Zapier.com. Right now, we need to create an account at Zapier as well. First of all, we need to go to the top left corner of in Zapier, and we want to make a Zap. We need to give it a moment, and now we need to name our Zap. So we want to go with Smartsheet to Sheets, for example. As you can see, the names are very similar. And now we need to set up ourselves a first trigger. First trigger will be the app that will actually be the trigger. So in our case, it's obviously Smartsheet. Smartsheet will be triggering events in Google Sheets. What will be the trigger? You can right now choose from four triggers. Updated row, new attachment, new comment, or new row. Let's go with updated row. We press continue, and now we have to log in with our account. We press continue, and now as we setting up this trigger, we need to choose the worksheet that we want to integrate. I created this one just to show you. So let's go with test. We press continue, and now we can test the trigger, but we don't have to. It's not mandatory. For second action will be the app that will be affected by Smartsheet. In our case, it's obviously Google Sheets, like this. And what will be affected? Well, when the row gets updated, it will, let's say, update spreadsheet row in Google Sheets. We hit continue, and the last thing we need to do just to sign in with Google Sheets. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.